Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to dive deep into maintaining a healthy heart. Your heart is a vital organ that deserves our attention and care. So, let's get started on the journey to a healthier heart. First and foremost, it's important to adopt a heart-healthy diet. Focus on incorporating whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. Limit your intake of saturated and trans fats, sodium, and added sugars. Remember, a balanced diet plays a crucial role in supporting heart health. Next, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for a healthy heart. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise every week. Engage in activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Find what you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Your heart will thank you. Stress management is another key aspect of maintaining a healthy heart. Chronic stress can contribute to heart disease, so it's crucial to find healthy ways to cope. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. Take time for yourself, prioritize self-care, and create a peaceful environment that promotes relaxation. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are vital for monitoring your heart health. Schedule routine appointments to assess your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall cardiovascular health. Your doctor can provide valuable guidance on maintaining a healthy heart and address any concerns you may have. Lastly, let's not forget the power of social connections. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family and friends. Engage in activities that foster positive relationships and provide emotional support. Laugh, have fun, and share your journey to a healthier heart with loved ones. Strong social connections contribute to overall well-being, including heart health. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy heart requires a holistic approach. By adopting a heart-healthy diet, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress effectively, scheduling regular checkups, and fostering social connections, you're taking important steps towards a healthier heart and a healthier life overall. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and information. Take care of your heart, and until next time, stay heart healthy.